everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make ninjin no kinpira. I'm not a big fan of carrot, but I love this dish. It's good to eat simply as a side dish, but it's great for lunchbox too. It's good even when it's served cold and you add nice color to the bento box. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this ninjin no kinpira, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Some carrot, I'm using 2 today. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Let's cut the carrot. Peel the skin. I want to make them into thin strips, so today I'm using mandolin. But if you don't have mandolin, this is how you do. Make thin diagonal slices. Align them like this and then into strips. But it's easier to use mandolin. All sliced, so let's cook it. Heat up 1 teaspoon sesame oil in the frying pan. Add carrot. Just saute them until it's wilted. I sauteed them for 3 minutes or so and carrot is wilted. So let's add the seasonings. 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Just keep cooking to cook down the seasonings. Looks good. Let's turn the heat off and add sesame seeds. Give it a quick mix. Let's serve it in the bowls. And ninjin no kinpira is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's very simple dish, but the sesame oil and the sesame seeds add so much flavor to it and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Ninjin no kinpira is a side dish, so let's put it here. And for the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Plain rice here and tofu miso soup or any other miso soup you like here. You can have whatever you like for the main dish, but I think I want to have karaage, Japanese fried chicken. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!